Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on PEPE. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that PEPE has broken out a down channel on the daily time frame chart, and this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line even did not hit this next resistance zone that starts from 136 and goes to 146 because it has found another downtrend line resistance here. You can see that for the past stable days, it is working as a resistance. Therefore, first we will need to break out this downtrend line resistance, and then we will still need to break out this long-term resistance, and that starts from 136 and goes to 146. This resistance zone has been previously working as a resistance here, and for stable days, it has been working as a support here and support here as well. Therefore, again, we will need to break out this resistance zone in order to continue this rally to the upside. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for PEPE that I shared a few days ago on 1st of Feb 2024 with the members. And so far, this move has produced almost 50% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for PEPE that I shared on 1st of Feb 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that PEPE formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has pumped almost 50%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of PEPE, and this is the daily time frame chart. And by the way, previously, it formed this long-term down channel. And you can see that here we had a fake out, but the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance on that starts from 136 and goes to 146. You can see that it has been breaking as a resistance on here when we broke it out. And that was in fact a fake out, and the price then re-entered the same down channel and formed a quite big double bottom pattern as well. You can see this was the first bottom here. And while forming this first bottom, the price then also broke out this channel and formed the second bottom at this long-term support of 60. Then price then rallied very well and then got stuck inside in another down channel. And now recently, we have also broken out this channel. And before breaking out this channel, it also formed this falling wedge pattern. And when it was quite squeezed inside this wedge, then I was telling you, in those days, I was telling you a few days ago that now there is a very high probability that the price end may not break down this support zone, and it may break out the resistance of the wedge. And as soon as it breaks out this wedge, it can imminently break out the resistance of the down channel as well. And now you can see that we have finally broken out the resistance of the down channel. Now we will need to break out this quite long-term, another downtrend line resistance that is coming all the way from here from 5th of December 2024, 2023. And you can see we got stable ejections, and this is the recent rejection that has happened here after breaking out this down channel. And after breaking out imminently, it will also need to break out the long-term resistance on that starts from 136 then goes to 146. This will be a very, very strong resistance. By the way, the technical target for this breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 180, here at 176 or 175. But in my opinion, after breaking out this channel, it can also break out this long-term resistance of 190 as well. This is a quite significant resistance. If we take a look at the previous history of this resistance, then you can see that here for a few days, it has been breaking as a resistance. And for a few more days, it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. And the price then again dropped down. And now again, therefore, it can work as a very strong and long-term resistance. And we will need to break out this resistance of 190 in order to continue this rally to the upside. By the way, so far, you can see that it has rallied from this low to this high here it was rallied more than 182%. But after breaking out this channel, I'm expecting that this rally will be continued. And once it will be able to break out this long-term resistance of 190, then this previous resistance will be flipped into a very strong and long-term support for the price line of Pepe. And then this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.